Hi, hello, welcome family, link in description. OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite 5G, a comprehensive review. Introduction. The OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite 5G has emerged as a formidable contender in the mid-range smartphone market, boasting a blend of affordability and cutting-edge features. In this review, we delve into its design, performance, camera capabilities, battery life, and overall user experience to ascertain whether it lives up to the hype. Design and build quality. At first glance, the OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite 5G impresses with its sleek and premium design. The device sports a glass front and back with a plastic frame, providing a lightweight feel without compromising durability. The slim profile and ergonomic design make it comfortable to hold. While the striking color options add a touch of flair to its aesthetics, display, and visual experience, equipped with a vibrant 6.5-inch AMOLED display, the OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite 5G delivers immersive visuals with crisp details and vivid colors. The full HD resolution ensures sharpness and clarity, whether you're streaming videos, browsing the web, or gaming. Additionally, the 90 Hz refresh rate offers smooth scrolling and responsiveness, enhancing the overall viewing experience, performance, and speed. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 series chipset and paired with up to 8 GB of RAM, the OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite 5G delivers impressive performance across various tasks and applications. Multitasking is seamless, and demanding games run smoothly without any lag or stuttering. The integration of 5G connectivity further enhances speed and responsiveness, enabling fast downloads and seamless streaming. Camera quality and imaging capabilities. The OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite 5G boasts a versatile triple camera setup, comprising a primary 48MP sensor, an 8MP ultra-wide lens, and a 5MP depth sensor, link in description. This configuration allows users to capture a wide range of scenes with excellent detail and clarity. Whether it's landscapes, portraits, or macro shots, the device produces impressive results with accurate colors and dynamic range. The 16MP front camera ensures sharp and detailed selfies, perfect for social media enthusiasts. Battery life and charging. With a 4,500 mAh battery capacity, the OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite 5G offers all-day battery life, ensuring you stay connected and productive throughout the day. Even with moderate to heavy usage, the device easily lasts through a full day of use on a single charge. Moreover, the inclusion of Warp Charge 30T technology enables fast charging, allowing you to replenish the battery quickly and get back to what matters most. Software and user interface. Running on Oxygen OS based on Android, the OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite 5G offers a clean and intuitive user interface with a host of customization options. The software experience is smooth and fluid, with no bloatware or unnecessary clutter to slow down performance. Regular software updates ensure that users have access to the latest features and security patches, enhancing the overall user experience. Conclusion. In conclusion, the OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite 5G stands out as a compelling choice in the mid-range smartphone segment, offering a winning combination of affordability, performance, and features. From its sleek design and vibrant display to its powerful performance and versatile camera capabilities, the device ticks all the right boxes for users seeking a premium smartphone experience without breaking the bank. Whether you're a casual user or a tech enthusiast, the OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite 5G is sure to impress with its value proposition and all-around excellence. Link in description. Like and subscribe. Thanks for your watching.